Friends, today we are at Dr. Bhavani Shankar Chaudhary's home. He's a professor. He's the real generation king. But how he's the real generation hero? He made his own poetry, his books. But the books did not be published in Pakistan. They got published in Germany. Now let's take the interview of him. That how did he achieve this all? So friends, this is the original Sitara Imtiaz. As you can see, it's such beautiful. Can you tell me?
Given first time to me presented or conferred by the President of Islamic Jamhuriya Pakistan for my contribution in science, engineering and education. The science, engineering and education, all three fields. Normally, usually you have either in science or engineering or education. So this president's signature, and then another.
So can I see one more time?
Yes.
And what is this?
No, this is Pakistan's, seal. Pakistan seal, president's seal. Here, that is given by government of Pakistan on both of them. That is on certificate, and this is on the medal. Sitara Imtiaz.
This is also like a medal.
Yes, this look, yes. And then President Zardari, he gave बराए साल 2009 में बहसियत सदर इस्लाम जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर भवानी शंकर चौधरी को शोबा तालीम में इम्तियाजी मर्तबा हासिल करने पर एजाज फजीलत अता करता हूँ। ये इनका सिग्नेचर है और ये दिस इज हाईएस्ट एकेडमिक डिस्टिंक्शन. No one in university received this award.
Only you got this.
My university only, in even this region. Then President gave another gold medal. This Pakistan Engineering Council gold medal. Thus achieving excellence, PC Excellence Award 2020. And this is first time they started the award, and at that time they gave in that first list.
Wow, this is real gold.
This is not real gold, but they are gold plated. Usually, even Olympics medal, they are gold plated as well. So he given on my highest academic distinction. I produced large number of PhDs. I produced many number of publications. I wrote 4 books. Of my 4 books were published in Germany, Springer, Germany. All books are there in the shelf as well. So those books have been taught, they are being taught around the world. So on that contribution, they give this one.
Okay, so these are the highest awards
Yes.
which you have.
Yes.
It is not with some special material.
Yeah, it is a special material. Every outline, everything design is handmade actually. It has got even the color of ribbon, the rules when you have to wear it.
Somebody can, when you wear it, go in some crowded area, just people will take it.
But that's why you have to wear when there's some special gathering, some convocation, some graduation ceremony. So people get motivated from, your services and all these things.
Word of Pakistan.
No, this is actually Pakistan's symbol. Symbolizes, see, the Pakistan's main. The Pakistan, Jamhuriya Pakistan has awarded this award, but it is awarded in 2009. Now its color is fading up because see it's a long time ago.
Who given you?
That's president actually.
Which president?
Asif Ali Zardari, when he was a president in first time.
So right now here are some books which Dr. Bhavani Shankar written himself by his hands. So first of all, this is Community Technologies, Information Security and Sustainability Development. Next is this Wireless Networks, Information Processing and System. And I forgot to read this for you. International Multi-Topic Conference IMTIC 2008, Jamshoro, Pakistan, April 2008.
Published by Springer, Germany. First ever conference work of Pakistan published in Springer, Germany. Before this, no one work was published in the Germany. They have written here. I just have. This book is a collection of excellent multi-topic manuscript, and it will be serve as a reference for research and students. The book is believed to be the first by Springer to be published or the work done in Pakistan.
You are the first Pakistani man who sent his book to Germany.
Yes, published by there. Before that, most of my books they have been published here. I got around 12 more books. They are published in Pakistan. So these were published by Springer Journal.
So friends, I can't able to digest so much important and so good medals. So you see, he's such a big legend and such a good legend. So friends, right now let's listen to his some of poetries.
Okay, ये मैंने एक दिन में बैठा था तो what I thought that I should write some motivational poetry. We have got in our country, we have got our founder of nation like Qaid Azam, we have got Allama Iqbal, the poet of the East, who gave, the concept or idea of having a country, Pakistan. And then we got a Eidi, we got a Faiz, the poet like, and then Orfa. She did, in IT certification, Microsoft youngest age, she broke the world record. And then in hockey, cricket, squash, everything we got a World Cup, we got a squash championship, and then all this is done by hard work. So आया बूढ़े और जवानों ने आके सैल्यूट करना दुनिया के सुल्तानों ने पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। मेरी खुश नसीबी है कि मैंने पाक वतन में जन्म लिया। इल्म व अदब का मुझ पे वतन ने अपना खजाना लुटाया। इल्म व अदब ने मेरा जीवन दुनिया से चिपकाया। मुझे जमीन से फल की अजमत तक की भी पहुंचाया। Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad. So it's all motivational actually. It's motivating people that we should love our country, we should work hard, we should pay back to society, we should take care of every person, every human being. We have more inter-harmony, more brotherhood, more caring. We should care each other. So this is all message about this one.
How you have done this all?
No, doing this, first you have to set a target and what you have to do. Once you have got target in front of you, like you are in the, cricket ground, and there you got a target, then on the next ball you want to hit the six. Set a target. Maybe you miss once, miss twice. Third ball you will definitely hit that one. So when I was a student, class 5 student, I asked one teacher, he was teaching that Qaid Azam आला तालीम के लिए विलायत गए थे। वो अपनी बोली में बता रहे थे कायद आज़म आला तालीम के लिए विलायत गए। तो I asked him why you are not taking us to विलायत, because I was not knowing विलायत is foreign, you have to go by plane other. He said if you want to go to विलायत you have to work very hard. You have to work very hard with all dedication and all that thing. So that thing I kept in my mind. And all the time I have been working very hard. And the other thing, good thing, I always find in every other person there is some talent. God has created every one of us with some unique excellence. Maybe someone is good in one thing, other one is good in other thing, someone good in gardening, some may be good in artist work, someone good in plumbing, someone could be a good doctor. So we have to see every good thing in someone. And when you see that good thing, you actually inspire from those things, and you can have achieve that excellence because you are not criticizing. And the other thing, you have to have helping attitude. I call it a one term khas. I got a one special video on khas. Khas, 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 Urdu mein khas karte khas.
Yes.
But in English I made it KHAAS. So whenever I go to class, I used to say every student, oh, all students, you are all are khas. You all are intelligent. You are all khas. They said, how you are khas? I said, I am here to impart you knowledge, so you gain a knowledge. K, khas first letter K, and H second letter. One, you must have a helping attitude. KHA. So knowledge, helping attitude, and other A and S. But you must have the aptitude to have a very one skill extraordinary. Whatever skill you get, at least one skill, no matching with other. You compete yourself and get that extraordinary skill and become a khas. So knowledge, helping attitude, aptitude to get a skill that make every one of you to excel in the world.
Okay, so I'm very inspired by everything you have done. Such a hard work. I think you've done so hard work. I can't even believe.
Thank you.
So I am. Thank you for looking at all your shields, and you told me, and you have thousands of shields, very, very prestigious, very important and honorable medals, and your own books, your own poetry, and a lot of more. So I appreciate it all, friends. So I think that you learned a lot, and for next time you should stay with my channel and you will learn more with Dr. Bhavani Shankar Chaudhary. Bye, see you in the next one.